I have been giving keynote speeches around the world about education and the change in education, and especially in mathematics, because if we look the mathematics all over the world, it's quite same. It's for the age of 10 to 16, which is my special area. It's very boring for students, and I know that math can be a meaningful, interesting, and even fun for the students. Again, I have to say that all around in the world, there are still understanding of learning that it's more about teacher-centered, and it should be student-centered, so that the student is active. So, especially OECD published that 8 from 10 students say that they learn based on memorizing, and that's not at all the best way to learn. So active learning, that the student is the center of the learning process, is the best way. And I'm so happy because in Finland, in our new curriculum, we really understand about the knowledge of learning, how it best can be happen. When I have been comparing different schools and teachers, I have to say that in Finland we are totally working in different way than the others, and it's amazingly super good, because we don't believe on testing and monitoring or teachers. We don't believe of hard, long school days. We believe that children have to have an active time. They have to have the role of their childhood, and so that the learning is fun. So if we are successful, we can be really the top first in the whole world, and we have a lot to tell to other countries.